Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm FUJI Slide TBIL-P3. So this is the top view of the box. You can see it has the code of 2150, the expiry date, and you can see it is a 24 pack size made in Japan, and you can see this is an IVD product, C certified. It has an temperature control between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. It has a barcode, you can see at the bottom. So this is the front view of it. You can see the manufacturing address over here, Fujifilm Corporations, manufactured in Tokyo, Japan. It's a very small box. So guys, to sum it up, this is the Fujifilm FUJI Dri-CHEM Slide. The code for it is 2150. You can find the expiry here, the lot number here. It's a 24 pack mini pack made in Japan. You can find the IVD and the C certifications here. It's a temperature controlled one. So thank you.